Tesla stock has bottomed. It looks like we're on the way up from here. Okay, guys, so I wanted to make a quick Tesla video for you guys, give a recap on what basically has been transpiring over the last few days. So as I posted my first Tesla video, I said that basically with news of Shanghai reopening, that was the bottom in Tesla stock. And now we have another really bullish indicator that I think is going to help solidify this bottom for Tesla, meaning that this is probably the lowest that Tesla is going to go in this current market cycle. And the reason why is several reasons. I'm going to disclose this reason in this video and keep this video kind of short for you guys to basically give you guys as much value as possible in as little as time as possible. So if you guys enjoy my content, please smash the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel as well. So guys, what transpired? What took place just recently in the past 24 hours or so within this week? So let's take a look at this news update. So this is posted on Yahoo Finance. It says, Elon Musk seems to be looking for a scapegoat in Twitter bid. So it says Tesla CEO Elon Musk says the deal to buy Twitter is on hold over a number of bots and fake accounts on the platforms. But some analysts think the billionaire is just looking for a scapegoat so he can walk away from the $44 billion deal or negotiate a lower price. Okay, so if you guys aren't familiar, Elon Musk offered to buy Twitter at $54 per share. Now the stock is down quite a bit because he says he wants to put the deal on hold for, basically he wants to figure out how many spam accounts are exactly on Twitter. So now Twitter stock's trading at around $38, guys. But I think something else has transpired. Now, obviously, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know the exact dealings of Elon Musk, but has the kind of the reopening of Shanghai, has that kind of adjusted Elon Musk's attention? Okay, so basically what's going on is since things are reopening back in China, okay, Tesla's factory didn't produce many vehicles at all during April due to the lockdowns. And that's around the same time that Elon Musk was kind of obsessed with, picking up Twitter. Now, is it that Tesla stock has bottomed and simply Elon Musk doesn't want to sell his Tesla stock at the bottom of the market in order to buy Twitter at an expensive price over market value? Okay, remember now, Elon Musk, this guy is a billionaire. He went to Wharton Business School at UPenn. Whenever he's doing a deal, he's analyzing it from a cost-benefit analysis, basically looking at, is this the best way to invest my money? And currently, right now, it doesn't make sense to sell Tesla stock, which has bounced quite nicely off a $700 support. It looks like right now we're at the bottom of the NASDAQ, which means that I believe the stock market is going to go much higher over the next few months simply because there's been way too much selling pressure. Could it make sense that Elon Musk doesn't want to simply sell Tesla stock at a lower price to overpay for Twitter, right? Because his bid for Twitter is $54 a share, and now it's at $38 per share. So there's a good chance that Elon Musk could either walk away from this deal altogether or simply just have to offer to buy Twitter at a much cheaper price, right? I mean, if the stock's at $38, why should he pay $54? Maybe he'll pay $40. But this is good news for Tesla because if Elon Musk, the less amount of money he has to spend on Twitter, that means the less amount of shares he has to liquidate from Tesla. And if he walks away from the deal altogether, this will really solidify the bottom in Tesla stock. So I just wonder, if some of you guys are wondering, is this a good time to buy Tesla? I'm really gearing up to pick up Tesla shares at these levels. I think this is a fantastic time to get in. So if you take a look at the 1 month chart here, we can see that the stock barely spent any time below $700. That's when there was really strong buying pressure. And I think this is a great deal because some people paid over $1,000 a share just over a month ago. So you're getting a really nice discount here. You're getting basically a 25% discount on Tesla stock. We talk about Tesla stock on this channel all the time, but I don't like buying Tesla when it gets expensive because for some reason there's so much hype behind Tesla, and for good reason, but a lot of hype means a lot of high stock prices. So there's been multiple times where Tesla stock has been over the $1,200 range. This is just way too expensive, guys. And we know that Tesla is probably the #1 stock you should probably hold this decade if you want to retire. Please check out my retirement video. I'm going to link to that one in the description below. But we don't want to overpay, okay? Stocks are going to ebb and flow. We want to get in at good prices. So now is a wonderful time, I believe, to start accumulating Tesla. And I think the stock has bottomed, meaning that I don't think it's going to go much lower from here. So there's a couple of ways you can play this. Obviously, you can play the stock options. You can just buy the shares long. And as I mentioned in my previous video, you probably only need to own around 30 to 33 shares, 35 shares of Tesla stock at its current prices to become basically a millionaire by the end of the decade. Obviously, the more shares you hold, if you have 100 shares, you could potentially have, retire in the next 8 years with like $3 million or more than that. Who knows? Maybe Tesla pays a dividend, okay? We saw this with Apple. Apple's paid a dividend. Microsoft has paid a dividend. It's quite possible that Tesla has so much free net income, so much free cash flow. As the EV movement takes off, you're going to just see Tesla and all of these companies, Tesla, Lucid, Rivian, they're going to print money like there's no tomorrow. They're really going to become the top 3, I think, big tech companies in the EV space over the next 8 years, and it's possible that maybe all 3 of them might pay a dividend in the future. So you're gonna be sitting pretty nice if you're holding Tesla shares. If they start paying a dividend, it's just going to be more gravy. Tesla is a software company, okay? They're a software and robotics company more so than an EV company. They're really just using the EVs to get the product in the consumer's hand, and then they can use that product to generate revenue from them over and over with full self-driving, with their their supercharging network, etc., etc. So I don't need to go too in depth in this video, guys. I hope you guys understand a lot about Tesla's business model. Check out some of my previous videos. I talk about their business model in depth. But what we're talking about right now here is we're talking about a good entry point for the stock. I mentioned to you guys in a previous video that when it was like 870, it was just too expensive. I thought Tesla was going down to around $500, but the market has flipped. So when the market flips, we need to take advantage of this flip and react, okay? We don't want to guess what's going to happen to the market. We want to react to the market. So it doesn't look like Tesla's going to hit. Even Elon Musk is thinking, why would I sell my Tesla stock at the bottom of the market? That doesn't make any sense. This guy's the richest guy in the world. He's really, really analytical when it comes to business and finances. So if he's like getting cold feet on selling, that's because he knows it's too cheap. So this is a great time to buy. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to kind of wrap this video up. This is mostly a technical analysis video, but also a little bit of kind of thinking of in terms of business management and stuff like that. I think Tesla stock is bottom. I don't think we're going to see Tesla stock trading in $700 for long. I believe that the stock will eventually recover. So obviously, if we take a look at Tesla's market cap, it's sitting around $789 billion market cap. I think a fair valuation, obviously, for Tesla, considering all of the new products, the new factory in Texas, the Tesla Semi is already taking orders. Their commercial trucking product. They're going to be launching the Cybertruck probably next year. I think this is a fantastic time to get into Tesla. You might not be able to get it much cheaper. So that's it. Until next time, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. It gives you guys some insight. I'll be buying the dip here. I sold off my Tesla shares a while back. I just thought it was just way too expensive. $700. This looks like I'm gonna start getting back. I want to make sure I have Tesla in my IRA account. Okay, I don't hold Tesla in my main growth portfolio. I hold it in my IRA because I feel like this is like the Apple, Microsoft, probably more so like the Microsoft. This is the Microsoft of my generation. So I want to hold these shares, as I get older and things like that, and maybe pass them down and stuff like that. So I'm going to make sure I have some Tesla in my portfolio. As much as I like Lucid, guys, guys know how much I love Lucid. It's okay. I like both companies. They both have different strengths and weaknesses. And also I like the fact that Tesla has a lot of Bitcoin. Okay, Tesla holds quite a bit of Bitcoin on their balance sheet. To be exact. Okay, so Tesla's holding about 43,200 Bitcoin. So that's going to be worth a lot of money as well. So this company is going to definitely be crushing it. I think it's a wonderful time to get in. Like I said, me personally, I'm going to be buying some shares from my IRA, and I'm going to be buying some Tesla stock, for my kids as well. I really think that this is kind of a no-brainer, and we definitely want to get some exposure to this. So now is a good time to get involved. So that's all I got. Until next time, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my content, and be sure to smash the red subscribe button as well for more video updates. That's all I got until now, guys. Take care.